Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing more mods to the new Rsx Type S. There have been more modifications that have arrived to my house. I'm excited to put them on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's just get into it. Alright. Before we do continue on to this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down there. We are closing down 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. You guys subscribing means a lot to me. It really helps the channel out and it helps to push these videos more to other viewers who do need help with their cars. I try my best to help you guys and you guys do watch the video, so I'm really thankful. Alright guys, so the first part that we're gonna do is a brand new shift boot. I mentioned it in my previous video. I ordered this but it didn't arrive before, but now it's here. And the one I currently have, it has a few missing pieces on there and it doesn't really look good. This thing was pretty cheap and I'm pretty sure this will probably do the job. Alright guys, so the way we're gonna start this is by removing the shift knob. Bought this brand new shift knob last video. It looks really nice and it's pretty heavy too, so it's pretty weighted. And I'm pretty sure there's a few clips up front right here. So like that. Get a screwdriver. Try to just take a few clips out from the side. Make sure you guys don't break anything because you don't want to break any clips and it doesn't go back in. Should be coming off like this. A lot of staples on the back that's holding this together. I'm just gonna remove the staples. You can use those staple remover thing, but I'm just gonna pry them off with this screwdriver. Look how bad it is. There's like rips in here, and then there's a zip tie over here. It's all bad. And apparently these freaking staples are those thick ones. And they're pretty hard to get out. So what I'm probably gonna do is cut the shift knob and pretty sure I'm supposed to get the new one and tuck it in here and then put this on top like this, and this will hold the brand new shift boot. I don't know if you guys can see, we pretty much take these corners and try to shove it in between these around here. Alright, so this was pretty hard to do, but I finally managed to get this inside. So I pretty much got this boot, shoved it in, and put this covering in on top. It's still like a little up, but it's barely there. I don't think you can really tell, but it looks good. A lot better compared to that one right there. Let's try putting this in and see how it looks like. There you go. I honestly think it looks so much better. Before I had a zip tie on it. This is so freaking trash. And this was much needed. The red stitching on there definitely suits the shift knob and would definitely suit some new seats. But you guys gotta stay tuned for that. That's why you guys have to subscribe, because right when the new seats come in, I'll probably put them in and you guys have to wait for that video. Alright, so for the next part of the video, we're gonna be using air freshener, where you just leave it in the car and you just let the air run. Especially after how I changed my cabin air filters. You guys probably saw in my previous video. What is that fucking fur? Bro, this shit is disgusting. Oh my god. And those things are super nasty, so we have to start the car up. Turn on the air. Let's do a full high, turn the AC off, and just have this button on where this recirculates. Alright, and Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes since it's been on. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Alright, so we're gonna leave the windows down for like a good 5 minutes and I'm pretty sure it will be good. Alright, so the car smells good and I did put the windows back up, which leads us to the next thing that we're gonna do is the restoration kit for the headlights. I already made another separate video on the restoration for the headlights. I'll probably link it down below so you guys can go watch that if you guys need more details. And that kit is a lot better than this one. This one is the most basic one you can get. It does look clean, but there's a few on these lights where it's just something's peeling off. I don't know if it's clear coat or I don't know what kind of stuff is on top. This part just looks quite bad and I'm curious to see if this takes this away. And the same thing is on this side as well. It's just all around and it just kind of looks really weird. Bro, they really gave me only one piece of glove. What about the other one? Alright guys, so the headlights came out really good. You guys can see they look really clear and the marks that we had before, they're gone as well. Brand new headlights plus perfect paint on the car makes the car look mint. This shifter now, it's nicely weighted, so it is pretty heavy. I love it, and this boot just looks so good, so much better than how it was before. I feel like the only thing that's annoying me right now in this interior is this part of the steering wheel. I'm gonna do a bit of research and see if I can find an alternative where I can replace this part of the steering wheel and keep the inside, or do a little bit of like stitching on top. I don't know if they have kits for those, but I kind of don't want an aftermarket steering wheel. I really like the way this steering wheel looks and feels. I really haven't been driving this car as much. There's this outer tie rod that's bad on this car and you can definitely feel it. I just don't want the car to collapse while I'm driving on the street. And another way to know that your tie rod is bad is when the car's steering wheel is shaking like this by itself. Yeah, so I definitely have a really bad tie rod. I just don't want to push this car too much. This is the reason why I just don't drive this car. And I see a lot of people commenting that I don't really make videos of this car driving around. I should verse my Mustang with this car and see which one's faster. Probably do it right after I fix this issue first. And you may be asking, why am I not fixing this issue first? The part that I ordered is not arrived yet. I'm still waiting for the tie rod to come in. It did say 2 weeks and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be here pretty soon, so